is my hair at the moment. It is dry, it is damaged, it is overgrown and uneven, and I'm looking to even it out and get one of the most flattering, complimenting, and easy to achieve haircuts all by myself using only Amazon cutting shears and a precision beard trimmer. I have no idea how this haircut is going to turn out, but I am going to be doing it completely solo, and I am going to be trusting the process when it comes to the uniform sharp one. I'm not shaving my head again. This color combination is one of my absolute most favorite ones, but it does have to go. Anytime you have shorter hair, the hair on the top takes so much longer, obviously, to get to this length than the hair on the bottom, so you're almost always going to end up with discrepancies like this, which is exactly what I have. I have been growing it out for the better part of almost 2 years. I've now reached a point where I can confidently cut it to such a length that everything is one singular uniform length. I have no assistance with me today. I only have my cutting scissors and my precision trimmer with me today, but I am confident that with the right maneuvering and a lot of trusting the process, we can achieve one of the best haircuts ever. To start undressing first though, because the one thing I loathe is the feeling of hair in my clothing. Disgusting. I will maintain some of this green over here, so I'm not that fussed that it's all gonna disappear. It's just that most of it will disappear. People always ask me how I am so okay with constantly cutting my hair, and this would come from people who would also love to cut their own hair, but obviously it's a difficult process to part with something that took months or years to grow. But I think the secret does lie there. The hair grows back. And so if you're contemplating getting a haircut, especially one that maybe you've never had before, you're not sure how it's going to look, understand this. The hair that you have right now, thankfully, is a medium that does tend to regenerate. It is something that grows with the years, and for the most part, it will continue growing. Get the haircut that you want. If you're still a bit on the fence about whether a short haircut or a short look might suit you or what that would potentially mean, I might encourage you instead to play around maybe with a wig, with an application, with something that would kind of mimic what short hair would look like on you if you're still daunted by the concept of cutting off your hair. It's so much fun to cut. Oh my god, my hair is actually piss dirty. Luckily for me, today's video sponsor is Kitsch. If you're unfamiliar with the American brand, Kitsch is a really beautiful brand elevating your regular hair accessories and creating one of the most stunning range of hair products. It's completely female founded and self-funded, something that I have to respect tremendously. Kitsch has a very large range of hair products on their website, something that I encourage you to check out, especially if you're really into beautifully constructed and well-made hair products. Today I'm actually going to be speaking about and trying the rice protein shampoo and conditioning bars. Kitsch have created this really amazing shampoo and conditioning rice protein bars, specifically designed to repair the damaged hair follicle as well as very much cleanse and nourish the hair structure. The unique composition of these products means that not only are they incredible for the environment, but it also reduces the amount of plastics that we consume with each product. There are some really amazing facts about these products. Rice water protein shampoo and conditioning bars help hair regeneration. The active protein within the product strengthens the hair's natural structure. They rebalance overly moisturized hair, and all products are free from phthalates, parabens, silicones, and sulfates. You activate these products with water once you're actively washing your hair. They lather up and condition beautifully, the same as any product, but they will last you so much longer because it's not already watered down. Something that I also like is this incredible shower caddy. If you have no place to put your products, especially your kids shampoo and conditioning bars, you can get this really beautifully conceptualized caddy to put up in your shower. Don't worry, no need to drill holes anywhere. It comes with this really unique structuring mechanism that you loosen and tighten from here and the front. All the products are going to be linked down below, and you can get 25% off your very first order when purchasing through it. Kitsch does offer shipping to the US as well as more than 27 countries internationally. This is probably one of the funnest ways of washing and maintaining my hair, and it's also really fun how environmentally conscious the entire process is. Now I'm just going to go in with my scissors and just even out the entire haircut because we got most of the bulk of the hair done with our electric razor. The reason I'm starting from the front and not from the back as how normal one-length cuts are approached is because anytime you are doing anything on yourself, especially when you start from the back, very often it can get very skewed, meaning that one becomes longer or shorter than the other. By this, we are setting our guidelines first and we can visually confirm that they are the same. From here, we can then move backwards. The first thing that people are also going to see is the front of your head, never the back. So it's pointless perfecting the back if the front is then skewed. I do want the back of my head to go a bit shorter when it comes to hair length, so I am going to be still cutting considerable length from what we've already cut. So that is the length that I want to maintain throughout the rest of my hair. I am going to repeat this on this side first before tackling the back, which is where we have most of our hair. I think this is longer. By like a millimeter. That's about equal. I think I'm going to try to split these into two. That's not very even. Once we get to this part, it's really just about connecting the dots of here and then the layer underneath. Feeling of a fresh cut. No, I kid you not, there's literally nothing like it. Nothing like it. Oh my god. My hair is also feeling super well, and look at it, it's already starting to dry, and I cannot tell you how much I needed that wash. Normally I like to go for a straight look. I am obsessed with this bobblehead looking haircut. I mean, look at it. It's stunning. It's stunning. But I've done this cut a bunch of times and I really don't feel like straight. It is almost summer and I'm feeling beachy. So today I'm actually gonna do something that I rarely do on this channel, which is go for like kind of beach waves, but I literally just want to do it with salt spray and the diffuser. I honestly did not know I had this much wave in my hair. I love this haircut! All one length. Oh, look how thick the hair looks. And my hair is like medium level thick, but because all of the hair is collected to one length, there's literally zero layering in it. I look like a poodle. Here's the look. I think I'm gonna finish it off with a tiny bit of oil. And I think I'm gonna go in with Sacred's Nourishing Hair Oil. I don't think I've given this oil a very fair chance. I think I dissed on it before I should have. So let's see how it does now. I'm literally just going to do the grab and scrunch method. General salt spray will mattify your hair quite a bit. So that's one of the things that you should look out for. But anyways. This is something that I've been growing out now for quite a few years and I'm super happy that we're here. I highly urge you to give this haircut a try. It is one of the most beautiful, feminine, low-maintenance haircuts out there. And as you can see, with a tiny bit of salt spray and a diffuser, you are done in literally 5 minutes. If you're attempting the cut on yourself, I highly urge you to be patient with yourself and trust the process. And I also do want to emphasize not to focus so much on precision, especially if your hair naturally has any wave to it. One length cuts are beautiful, but unless you're constantly wearing it pin straight, it's not going to matter as much as you believe it does. Products that I used are going to be linked down in the description box below, and a very big thank you to Kit for sponsoring this video and offering the best shampoo and conditioning bars ever. They also have a variety of other products, not only rice, they also have shea butter, as well as many other incredible goodies. So if this is your first time shopping from them, use the link below and you are going to be getting 25% off your very first order. The hair, as you can see, is looking beautifully nourished, vampy. It is clean, it is moisturized, but it is completely cleansed. I feel good, I feel refreshed. Also want to upgrade your bathroom a bit. The shower caddy is a must. As always, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, join the Stella fam, let's learn a thing or two together. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in your next video. In my next video.